Natalie from Creative Junket here. I just wanted to share with you one of the new collections in the shop, which is Simple Stories Colour Me Happy, and I adore this collection so much. I love all the colours and I love the typography especially. I think it's really cute. Reminds me of Freckle Fawn. I love how it's kind of modern but also quite retro at the same time, so it's really cool. Love it. So I'm going to flick through the papers. That's a sticker sheet, that icon sticker sheet. My favourite paper is definitely this one. I think it's super cute and I'm going to be doing something with that. And I'll do a video to show you what I do. Oh, look at the back side, that's cute. Both sides, right? This is where you wish that you could have like 2 packs of everything. You could have back and front of everything. So I'll flick through the papers quickly. As usual, they have the tag sheet, and on the back more pattern tags. I love the yay. So cute. Very, very cool. See, this is kind of more the retro sort of vibe about it, which is quite cool. Have the green on green. Got the scallop sheet on the back. We've got this beautiful pink ledger paper. And just pretty rose floral on the back of that. Nice mustardy kind of colour with polka dots. And on the back we've got cool, I love these, little freaking slides, like film slides from the olden days. I'm sure many of you know what they are, and I know what they are because my mum has some slides of us when we were little babies, so it's pretty cool. This very cool pink with white grid on top of it. I think that's really cool. I love that. It's probably going to be maybe my background for whoever I do with this thing. I think that looks quite cool. Maybe not. And then on the back is this that reminds me of licorice all sorts. And my husband and I love licorice all sorts, so maybe there'll be a page about that. Very nice orange stripe, which I of course love because I love orange. Very hard to tell, but it's got this kind of wriggly little stripes. Very cool. And then there's circles in the back, kind of like pie charts. Another cool ledger paper. This one is green with pink accents, which is quite neat. And then some bits on the back. Again, more retro. Some car stuff and tape deck. That's kind of cool. Don't know what that is. Not camera. I thought it was scales for a second. I was like, don't want to know about those ones. A nice green paper with kind of patchy, I don't know what you call it, kind of gingham but not really gingham, and then another ledger paper on the back but with a big floral design in the corner, which is very nice. We have the usual 4x6 elements as well. I love that one, it's very cool. Happy vibes only, it's very nice too. And then this nice dotty, colourful, can't really tell but it's got all the colours in it. Again, reminds me of licorice all sorts. This is the journal elements, which I also like. I love this one here. Oh my goodness. Very cool. On the back is like little bows, which is very cute. Love that. And then the 3x4 elements. Again, cute. I think everything's cute though, don't I? Love that little house. And a stripy, multicoloured striped background. It's going both ways. So that's the papers, and I love them. Very, very cool. And we have the foam stickers. A bit hard to tell. I love the okie dokie, and you'll see me liking the okie dokie a bit later as well. And Smile Big. Maybe I'll take them out so you can see properly. We've got Smile Big, Love, Happy Memories, Carefree, Good. And another sheet. Colour Me Happy. That's cute, isn't it? Sweet and Sunny Shine, Okie Dokie, my favourite one. Hello. I love the way they've done the sort of almost watercolour-y effect, but not really, I don't know, overlapping colours on the hello and fun and all those. It's really neat. I love foam stickers. I love how they just have a little bit of dimension. Great for titles and stuff. There is what's called the basics. So now they have 2 different sticker sheets. I should explain a bit about this. They have two sticker sheets now. One is the icon sticker sheet, which is more icons and some words, and then they have a basic sticker sheet, which is more, seems to be more the tabs and little strips and things like that, and little baby word stickers. That has baby word stickers too, but yeah, more of the tabs and things like that, which is quite cool. Now there is also a difference with the ephemera as well. So there is now only, it's going to be mostly, I think, 3 ephemeras. So there, and you'll notice a difference in size. They used to be this size, the floral bit size. Floral bits are still the same, and it obviously has a whole bunch of florals. Let me just grab that out as well. Nothing more annoying than a bit of light shining on stuff. So floral bits looks a bit like this, and has a whole bunch of florals as usual. I like these ones. They're, like I say, kind of retro at the same time as being modern. It's quite cool. Very bright and cheerful and colourful. That's those. And then you see in comparison, enamel dots there, the bits and pieces and journal bits are a lot bigger. Now I have had this explained to me, and I can't quite remember, but I think that there used to be the bigs, and I'm pretty sure the bigs are now in, or maybe they're in both, kind of. So the big bits that were from the bigs are now in either the bits and pieces or the journal bits, something like that. And this is journal and words, I think. That's how it works. But they're, as you can see, way bigger than they were in the olden days. So this is a new thing for this year. So I've already started to muck around in here. In this journal bit, which is quite cute, I'll show you the back of it. That's what they all look like. Very cool bits in there, as you can see. What I liked is that they came with these little bits that you fold over and make little pockets, so that's quite cute. Something a little bit different. So many fun things. Fun, happy, today, adorable little, oh, that's not the one. Nope, not to make lies. Lots of words, you the best, that's cute. And then heaps of little bits and pieces to just decorate with, and of course journaling bits as well. So I wasn't really going to show you everything, so I'm making a bit of a mess. Anyway, never mind. I'm sure you're all enjoying seeing all the bits. And then this is the bits and pieces. And so again, the bigger pack. Just notice a little, yeah, over there, making a mess. Big little what are they called? Gummy bear. Very cute. So the bits and pieces, to show you the back packet. You see, you get heaps and heaps in it. Heaps and heaps. Very cool thing. So that's where the house is. Love that. That's cute. And I have no idea what that is. It's quite cute though. No idea. But yes, radio, cherries, light bulb, just lots of fun stuff, right? More words, of course. I love this collection, it's so cute. Oh, not really being very helpful showing you those, so let's just put those aside. So yeah, that's the difference with those. And so the journal bits have 87 pieces and the bits and pieces have 94. Floral bits is 58. So that would have been about what they used to be. Around the 60-ish piece mark. Also have some cute enamel dots, of course. Nice colours. I love them. They're really, really shiny. It's obviously quite hard to tell through the packet, but yeah, and beautiful black ones, which is quite cool. And I will just take these out. These are the brads. Probably should have been a bit more organised and had everything out for you, but oh well. I love brads. I've always loved brads, and I like them even more now they're sticky. Isn't that cute? I just love the colours. Orange. I don't know what that is. It looks like a lifesaver. You know, those lollies from the old days, but enough it is. And then the other thing is the page pieces as well, which are bigger bits. And I think that's it. I don't have the 6x8 paper at the moment, so I can't show you that. So anyway, I am going to make a layout, and my idea is that I want to use this paper because I think it's cute. I'll probably fussy cut out a whole bunch of scallops, maybe in a colourway or two, so maybe pink and, I can't say pink and green, but maybe even pink and orange would be kind of cool. And then I just love the okie dokie, whether I'll use this is one of the journal bits, whether I'll use that or whether I will use the big okie dokie from the foam stickers, I'm not sure, but I also like these little words. Trust me, let's do this, my goodness. So anyway, I am going to make something and I will share that layout with you once it is done. And yeah, it's all in the shop at the moment except for, like I say, the 6x8. So get in and have a look. Thanks for watching. See ya.